So I'm just down the back quarter at Jaya. What we've got over here are a couple of old gold mines, and we've also got the Sophia tree here, this big beautiful tree. We get a lot of landing activity here, and they'll usually appear as, there we go, might have got that on camera just then. They just signalled up there, just up here somewhere. I'll have to check that. Here, and they'll usually appear as, there we go, but down here on the ground we get flashes of light. Sometimes it's spirit activity or multi-dimensional intelligences manifesting that way. Sometimes it's even those types of intelligences in their devices and they've landed and they'll do that as well. So commonly we have things about the size of a, I'd say like the front part, the hood part of a Volkswagen Beetle. We've had things that are a lot bigger with landing marks about around 7 meters diameter. Anomalous big footprints on the property here, as well as apparitions, and a lot of that's actually caught on film that I'm talking about as well. So I just saw some flashes down here extremely low just a moment ago when I was just doing a perimeter check, a sweep, and that's why I'm here now. And if they're open to make contact and if it's safe to do so and they'd like to, under universal peace, that'd be great, with permission to filming. As a reference point, you can see what a plane looks like. This is with the Sony A7S II and up to 70mm lens I've just got on this tonight. I haven't got the zoom one on. It's 70 max. I'm not sure what the lowest is. I just need a bit better light to see that, but anyway, just the standard one I got with it. I'm just going to move back a few meters. Not much, just a bit. Well, there's an orb coming on in. Beautiful. Kangaroos on one side, ducks on the other. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. We've got a protector, a guardian here. We've got a monk. We have different nature spirits and a resident yowie. The order pop through here at times. And as well as the angels and masters and ultra and extraterrestrial intelligences. So it's quite a mixed bag. As crazy as that sounds. We're almost at a full moon. We're not there yet. I think we're like 3 days away from one, if I remember correctly. It's about 7 degrees out right now. Just a quick, I don't know, half an hour, 20 minutes out. Good for the lungs, good for the immune system. Well, there we go right now. between the trees. Dogs going off. Which is normal when they're coming down low like that. It's all happening. Oh yeah, look at that. Thank you.